Hello artists, Mrs. Castle here. And if you are a remote learner and you don't have a paintbrush, you can still use your markers. All is not lost. So you'll need a piece of the nice white drawing paper, and you'll need your markers, of course. And on the white drawing paper, make sure it is not the newsprint paper, which is very thin and kind of a dirty white. The white drawing paper is thicker and it's much nicer. Oh, also, no printer paper. No printer paper either. The white drawing paper will be much nicer to use and you'll get a much nicer result. So on your nice white drawing paper out of your art kit, you're going to draw a grid that has 3 columns and 7 rows. Don't make your boxes really huge. 1 by 1, yes, 1 by 1 is good enough for this. So go ahead and set that up and you can continue with the rest of the video. Like on those 3 columns, solid values. So we're gonna do practice making separate solid values. Trying to get your marker lined up. I'm gonna I'll do 3 values with each color you practice with. So, and I'm not doing a very good job filling up the box, but try to fill up your box. I'm gonna let those dry and I'm gonna do, for this one, solid values, do 4 colors. I'm trying to make the work about the same. So I'm gonna do orange. Remember, light touch if you're scritching. Like that's a nice smooth sound, that shh, shh, shh. But if you're, and you can even see that it's making little marks or little bumps in there. So if you're pressing too hard, we can definitely see the difference in the color. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. So if this is the lightest value, I'm gonna add a layer to both of those. Maybe going crosswise might help even the color or even out the value. I'm gonna add another row there. Okay, and let's do, I'm picking randomly. Okay, turquoise blue. So I'm gonna go and put my second layer on all of these. And give the blue a chance to dry. And I'm going to do my last layer on the red. Now I'm going to put my second layer on my blues, my turquoisey blue. And I'll do my last layer on the orange. You could even go diagonal like we did on the cross hatching. And when letting it dry in between, you know, the paper doesn't get as wrinkly. Now this is copy paper. You're gonna be doing this on the nice white paper. Do not do this on newsprint. Use the nice white paper. I don't have any of the nice white paper here at home, so that's why I'm using the copy paper. And let's do the dark green for our last one. So taking your time and doing this slowly and carefully, I think you're gonna get the hang of making the stripes. And I can tell a difference in mine if I'm being very methodical about it than the first time I tried the stripes. I'm changing my mind. Seven colors, do 7 colors. Any 7 colors that you want, so you can see what kind of value range you can get out of them. Okay, so there's 4 colors that I'm working on, but remember, I changed my mind. Your requirement is now 7 colors for the solid values. Once you finish your 7 colors, any 7 colors out of your box of 10 that you want, doesn't have to be the same as what I did. Then once you're done, take a picture of them and upload them to the assignment, and you are done with that part of the assignment. Look forward to seeing what you do. Bye-bye.